Today in the kitchen we're going to create a glowing skin exfoliate at home. The base ingredient is surprisingly sugar. Now sugar in your diet, we all know it's not something you want to have excessively. It won't do you any favor. But sugar in your beauty products, well, that's a little bit different story. It's naturally gentle and observe it, and it's perfect for polishing sensitive skin or sensitive areas in the skin, like the face and lips. It's also drawing in much needed moisture to for your skin and seal it in. So when your skin starts acting up and you want to create some kind of exfoliate at home, this one can be super useful. It's basically easy. There is maybe one ingredient that you need to buy, but I will explain to you why you want to have it at home anyway. So everything from hormones to diet can evoke, breakout on your skin. And when skin issues crop up, they can made worse by exposure to environmental elements. And like when we have dry skin, even in the summer or in the winter, it doesn't matter. It's more sensitive than dehydrated skin. So we want to remove, the whole idea of exfoliating is removing the dead skin layer from the skin. It's like getting the dust out of the shells. This way the turnover of the new skin cells will be faster, and we help whatever product we put on the skin after to penetrate the skin better. So the sugar benefits for your skin. It draws in moistures. And it locks it in. It's gentle. Of course, I'm using a super organic, gentle size sugar. I'm not gonna use the harsh one because it will scratch your skin. And it's gentle enough for sensitive skin. And because sugar dissolves in water, it's ideal for the delicate and sensitive skin. And it's a good source of glycolic acid, and it helps break down dead skin cells and support cell turnover, like I said. And it's easy to get. It's relatively cheap, so we can use it for your skin. You can use this exfoliate once to twice a week. Depends how your skin feels and how much you need in between facials. So the ingredients I will use is about 3 teaspoons of organic brown sugar or sugar cane. Just a second. Now, the second ingredient is called it's kaolin or bentonite clay. Clay is a mineral that I always think it's good to have at home, because you can have green clay, for example, which is very good for acne and breakouts. It's like magic. The bentonite is more gentle on the skin. You can have pink clay, which is for more anti-aging. And even just mixing a little bit with water will make like a paste, and you can use it as a mask. So you can buy this clay or the green clay in most of the natural shops and have it at home for emergency breakout, or if you just want a like cleaning mask. So with this I will also use about 3 teaspoons. I'm gonna use 15 drops of lavender oil. You can use chamomile if your skin is super sensitive, but lavender usually goes good with everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. If you want to be cautious, use 10, but it's okay. And then I will use 1.5 teaspoon of grapeseed oil or almond oil, or if you have none of them, then just use olive oil, but it's gonna be a bit heavier. So, and honey, I will use 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Oops. And then I got this mix that it's a bit brown and white. Now I'm gonna mix it up. If you see that it's too it needs more come on, liquid, then just add a little bit more oil, like I feel I need here. If you see it's too liquidy, you can always use more sugar or more clay. But now it's like the perfect paste for that I see. So you combine it all together, clean your face, and then you can clean your hands, of course. You can either use like a brush to put it on your skin, or you can use your clean fingers and massage it on the skin for about 60 seconds. Wash it with warm water and apply one of your beautiful natural face cream, and voila, you will see the glow. It's really beautiful. It works really well. So on my website, on the blog, there are tons of do-it-yourself recipes, easy, nice and fun, for a little bit of pampering in between facials.